Dropping a phone or another object in the toilet while plunging is a common mishap that can make a blockage worse and needs swift, safe action. Start by stopping any further plunging to avoid pushing the object deeper. Put on heavy-duty disposable gloves and clear visible water with a cup or small container into a bucket to improve visibility. If you can see and reach the object, grasp it carefully and lift it out slowly to avoid splashing and recontamination. If the object is out of reach but near the trap, use a toilet auger with a protective sleeve. Feed it slowly until you feel contact, then rotate and gently pull back so the object can follow the cable without snagging porcelain. For small, smooth objects, you can try creating suction with a handheld cup plunger by positioning it so the flange seals the drain and pulling straight up, but avoid aggressive plunging. If the object resists movement, stop and call a licensed plumber to prevent damage to the bowl or pipe and to avoid pushing the item into the sewer line. 3 frequent mistakes are continuing to plunge, which pushes the object farther into the trap, making retrieval harder and more expensive to fix, reaching in without gloves, which risks infection and cuts, so always use proper gloves and eye protection, and forcing tools aggressively, which can crack porcelain or tear seals. So use slow, controlled motions or call a professional. Another issue is using chemical drain cleaners, which do not remove solid objects and can create hazardous conditions when combined with wet skin or later plumbing work, so do not use them. Finally, attempting to flush repeatedly can send the object into the sewer, causing blockages farther down the line. Instead, stop flushing and assess retrieval options. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and local contractors around specific home repair topics like foreign object retrieval and clogged toilets. We help homeowners find local professionals, and we help contractors find work, and we also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other.